Hi guys, welcome to my page. So today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Ulanzi Vlog Kit. Let's go! I chose to purchase this item as I wanted to purchase a setup that was affordable and which I could use my iPhone 13 Pro Max to film on. The price for this item was at a reasonable price of £38. The cheapest price I found was on eBay. I will supply a link below in the description. The Vlog Kit comes with a nice carry storage case, which is very handy. It's good to keep your products safe, together and protected. The package contents includes VL49 LED light, which is rechargeable, a cold shoe phone mount, a mini tripod which has 3 extendable stages, USB-C charging lead, and a instruction manual book. The build quality is okay, a bit plasticky, but the structure seems quite sturdy and robust. Can't wait to test it out. In the future, I may look into buying a mini shotgun microphone, but for now, the iPhone mic seems to be working really well for me. You can find the full range of the Ulanzi products on their website. And if you sign up, you will receive a 10% discount on your first purchase. I may do a video update in the future about the product to show how the product is holding up. But comment below if you are interested in seeing that video. Please like the video, comment below, and subscribe to my page. Thank you. And that's it guys, I'm all done. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. See you on the next video. Bye.